In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate the use of a simple if-then-else statement. So we begin by getting the user's age using an input statement. We then use an if statement, converting the age from a string to an integer using the int function, and checking whether our age is equal to or greater than 18. If it is equal to or greater than 18, we use a print statement to remind the user to vote. In this case, there's no else branch. We'll look at that later. Having completed the code, we'll now save it to a file. So I'm just saving this to my desktop. A file called age test. Having saved it, we now run the file, which then asks the user to enter their age. In this case, if we enter the age of 17, we get no response. However, in the second case, if we enter the age of 19, we get a reminder not to forget to vote. We now make some edits to the code. So we begin by changing the input statement so that at this stage it actually converts the input into an integer. We wrap it with the int function. That means we can remove the int conversion in the if statement, now a number, and we're going to add an additional else branch, which if the user is less than 18 will print that they don't need to vote. We aren't entitled to vote yet. So finally, having saved the changes, we rerun the program. We have an age of 16, we get the reminder that we're not old enough to vote. With an age of, in this case, 19, we're again reminded not to forget to vote.